Hey masters, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys had an awesome trading week last week. It's currently Sunday, and in this video it will be a very special video because I will explain, one of the most important concepts in trading, and I call that the structural market behavior. And it is a very important concept in trading because that's a large percentage of trading, and a large percentage of your success rate. So a segment of this I will put inside the course, and it's very, very important. So if you haven't seen that, enroll in the course, and there are a lot of valuable information within the course. So I'll put the course in the description below if you're interested. Okay, so let's get into it. The structural market behavior. Okay, what is the structural market behavior? So this concept is stated that, after an impulse in the market, we have a relief followed by another impulse, or we have an impulse followed by a structural retest and followed by another impulse, breaking the highs. And I will show you an example of these structures in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, this is US CAD daily time frame, and we will just use this leg of it right here to explain structural market behavior, because we can see this concept in this area as well as this area and so on. So momentum shifted at this level, and we can see that we had a large impulse to the upside to here. We can see that. So all of this would be treated as an impulse, and in the concept structural market behavior, after an impulse, what comes next? A state of relief or structural retest. So we can see that the market went back down to here. So this now is stated as a relief after the impulse. You see that? That's very interesting. And in this concept, it is stated that when the relief, goes back to where the initial impulse started, it is expected to break the previous high that it did. And we can see that the market did that. After the relief, we had another impulse, as I said before. And the impulse broke the high. However, this could have gone either way. If this had come down and break this level where this bullish momentum started, then we would invalidate this and it would start to come back to the downside. Very important concept to pay attention to. However, we had our impulse according to the structural market behavior concept. And then after an impulse, what do we expect after? Another relief or structural retest. That's exactly what happened. Market came back down to this level where the initial bullish momentum started, and after the relief, what are we expecting? Another impulse to go up and break the previous high. That's exactly what the market did. Went back up, broke the previous high. So what are we expecting now? Another state of relief, right? Market came back down, stopped right here, and market is currently here. So we can know what to expect currently, And what I also did was I measured the movements, I measured the impulses, and I measured the relief. And if you measure the relief of this and the relief of this, it's exactly the same. Isn't that interesting? It's exactly the same. And this relief is a much shorter, and from this analysis, I'm realizing that this week is currently Sunday. So realizing that it's a possibility that the rest of this week will be impulsive. However, if the market starts to come down and go below this level, then we can invalidate the impulse and the market will continue to go to the downside, So that's structural market behavior. I hope you guys understand this concept, very important concept. I will upload this video right now for you guys to watch it. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. I wish you guys nothing but successful trades. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time.